Hello, hello, hello. My name is Spice McLeroy, and welcome to my channel. For those returning, thank you, and how you doing? In this video, I will be critiquing a student who has been with me for about 5 weeks in their junior year, with not a lot of facial anatomy experience. I'm creating these videos to allow me to give them a detailed critique and also show them how to fix it. They get to take a look back at these as many times as they want to, and I think it really helps them get better faster. So make sure to follow and subscribe to my other channels linked below to see my artwork, time lapses, announcements of when I'll be streaming, and any future courses I'll be opening up for enrollment. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video helps. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so let's see. KB. Yours. Okay. So getting better. Um, well, we need to see how it's all swooping back. Right, there's a little bit more form to it. So that would be marked by your temporal line, right? So you can just do something like that. And just make sure that you have that edge there. So everything isn't just right, because you just had everything swooping back, right? So we're adding another dimension to that. Okay. And first things first, um, the length of your jaw is too short uh, for a man. Okay. We need to lengthen that. We need to make sure that the chin has enough room. That's a little bit too much, but we'll get it there in the end. Want to make sure that mandible is nice and strong. Okay, not really going to deviate ever. It'll be augmented by some fat, but it'll never lose its foundation. Okay. So we want to do that. We want to have a bit more temple right here. Okay. And I'm going to resculpt these eyes. So just going to smooth over and get that going. Smooth all this out. Redynamesh. Smooth. Okay. So we need the glabella right here. Kind of be leading the forehead. And then we can have this nose, nostrils, barrel of the mouth. And then we can have this chin. And make sure that the jawline is supporting that. Make sure that the jaw doesn't go past the ear. And this neck is really thin, especially for someone this athletic and cosmic. Smooth out these ears because he doesn't have any. I'm gonna make sure this back of the head isn't too blocky. And we get the angle of this temporal line. It was going a little bit too straight. And then we just gotta make sure we separate the Adam's apple from the neck muscle. Straight across from the nose is the end of the skull. We can do that pretty confidently. Then kind of hit that nasolabial fold. Dig in these eyes a bit more so we get that orbital socket, especially around here. And I would start with this, getting this done, and just reinforcing this. There, oops, that doesn't look too good. And that. And I think maybe your eyes just might be too close. Might be a bit too small. I'm mirror and weld these because they look off too. Around there. Yeah. Okay, so that should help. Something like that. Start off with that. The very, very basics of getting the head set up. Okay. There's just so much I want to fix with this. Can't spend 4 hours critiquing today. I just can't. Not just for one class. I got the other one, and they have 3 times as much, so I can't. Fortunately, I can't spend that much time on each one, and it's generally the same issue over and over and over again. So, and so down here, zygomatic, top edge, there. And fill that in. Make sure still have a separation. Yeah, we won't get into alar cartilage or anything until we can get you to this point, and then we can start going further. Because I don't want to sculpt the entire head whenever you're having issues just getting the proportions. So we'll just focus step by step. Okay. And widest part of the skull is the back third. Right, so see what we have, what you came in with. Okay, a little bit more structure, a little bit more of the angle of the jaw. You need that length before it turns, right? It doesn't just immediately turn. Okay. Orbital socket is very, very definitive. I would get that skull in class and really, really take a look at it. And then just the separation between your frontal bone and your brow and orbit would really, really help you out. And just maintaining your zygomatic arch, right? Alrighty.